In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ignition coil boots on this BMW 328i. These are going to be attached to the ignition coils. Let's get into it. In the trunk on the right side, you're going to see a panel right here. We need to remove that. There's a wing nut at the top. Just twist that to the left. This panel comes right out. Now disconnect the negative terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen this up. Grab that. Take that off. Just tuck it out of the way. We're going to remove this cover. Use a 8mm socket. There's screws here. There should be a couple here. They're missing on this vehicle. And then on the other side. Take these out. Now grab the cover, pull it out. On the side there's covers. You just want to pop the retainers off. Those come right out. Some clips. Take this one off as well. There's some sensors on the side. This one you just pull the retainer up. And there's another retainer. If you follow the wire back, pull that up out of the way. And this one we're just going to twist it, pull that out. Then there's a retainer over here. Pull that retainer up, just like that. Pull that out of the way. And on the passenger side, there's a retainer holding a hose right here. Just pull that off out of the way. And using a 8mm socket, we're going to loosen this screw. Take that out. And do the same on the other side. Pull that out. We're going to remove this weather strip. Just grab that. And just pull that forward, pull that off. Now this cover right here has some retainers back here. Just take a pocket screwdriver. There's some tabs. You just want to push on the tabs in the middle. This one, the pieces are broken, but you're pushing on those tabs. Pull this out. And then there's some wires under here. Just want to grab that, pull those forward. There might be some clips holding that in. Use a straight blade screwdriver and just push down on the clips. Push that out of the way. Grab this panel, pull it off, and out of the way. There's a cover right here. Use a straight blade screwdriver. Just twist the cover to the left. And that comes right out. Now we're going to use a E18 socket. We're going to loosen this bolt. Just loosen that up. We don't have to take it out, just loosen it. Now use a E14 socket. Take this bolt out. Now grab the bar, slide that out. We're going to take this cover off. Just going to use a pocket screwdriver and just get underneath here. Just release the clips. There you go. Separate the cover, pull this wire out. We can bungee cord these out of the way. Take this one off as well. Just do the best you can, trying to get these out of the way. And we're going to take these screws out for the cover. Use a 5mm hex socket. And there should be two bolts back here. This one is missing on this one. And then this one has a 10mm socket that we're going to use. But it should be a 5mm hex that you use for this one as well. Now grab the cover and pull it straight up. And you want to grab the coil, disconnect the connector. There's a little lever right here. You pull that up. As you pull that up, this pulls out. And then just grab the coil, twist it back and forth a little bit, and you can pull it out. If the connector is still stuck in there and you can't get it past, like this guard right here, you can pull the coil up a little bit before you disconnect it. Pull that out. Now we're going to take the boot off. Just grab the boot. You can rock it back and forth. If it's stuck on there, you can take a pick or a pocket screwdriver. Just go around here, loosen it up. And take that off. There. There's a spring in there. Now before we put the new boot on, the upper boot, we're going to take that off as well. Just fold this over, and again, if you need to, use a pocket screwdriver and just slide that off. Comes right off. Take the new boot, slide the upper boot on. There we go. It's all the way on. At the base, got the new spring, put that in, and put the lower boot on. Make sure that goes all the way down. All right, that's good. And take a thin coat of dielectric grease. You just want to get it on the boot. This is just to prevent the spark plug from sticking to the boot in the future. And slide that in place. Push it down, connect the connector, get that lined up. Push it down, make sure it's all the way down. And then you can do the same procedure for the rest of them. I'll take the engine cover, get that in place, and get the bolts started. There should be another one down there. Put those bolts in. Now tighten these down. Take the bungee cord off. And this bar. Slide that in position. All right, that's good. I'll tighten that down. Snug that down. Now tighten this bolt down. Snug that down. Now this cover. Put the cables through. And you can make adjustments later if you need to. Take this cover, get this lined up. And lock that down. Now take this cover, slide this in place. Yeah, put the screw in. Snug that down. Do the same on the other side. And the side cover, get this lined up. Clip that down. And put this cover on. Get that lined up. Any of the sensors on the side. Get that clipped in place. And on the other side, clip those in place. And the weather strip, get that lined up. Push that on all the way across. And I take these wires, retainers, I'm gonna clip these in place. This one's broken a little bit. And I take this cover, line this up, and twist it in place. And take this cover, line this up, get the bolts started. And 2 front bolts. And 2 on the sides. And I'll tighten these all down. Grab the negative terminal. Attach that to the battery. We'll snug that down. Give it a wiggle. Make sure that's tight. It's good. Yeah, I'll take the cover. Get that lined up down below first. Just tip it in. And then twist the wing nut. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.